Your body has a hidden switch. Most doctors don't mention it. Scientists discovered it only recently. And when you flip it, your own stem cells wake up, attack stored fat, and begin rebuilding you from the inside. This video explains exactly how to turn it on. Stem cells are your body's master repair units. They exist in your fat tissue, your bone marrow, your muscles, and your bloodstream. Most people think stem cells are only relevant in hospitals. That is wrong. Every single day, your body uses stem cells to heal microdamage, replace old tissue, and maintain the systems that keep you alive. Here is what science now confirms. Stem cells stored in fat deposits do not just sit there. They actively participate in fat metabolism. When the right cellular signal is sent, those stem cells shift from storage mode into repair and burn mode. They release enzymes that break down fatty acids. They send signals to mitochondria to increase energy output. They accelerate the clearance of dysfunctional fat cells. This is not a theory. This is published biology from research institutions including Harvard Medical School, the Salk Institute, and the University of Tokyo. The switch is called AMPK, Adenosine Monophosphate-Activated Protein Kinase. It is an enzyme that functions as your body's master energy sensor. When AMPK is activated, your body receives a single clear message. Energy is low. Begin burning stored fuel. Wake up repair systems. Activate stem cell regeneration. AMPK was designed by evolution to turn on during fasting, intense physical exertion, and cold exposure. The problem is that modern life keeps AMPK permanently suppressed. High blood sugar suppresses it. Chronic inflammation suppresses it. Constant eating suppresses it. Seed oil consumption suppresses it. Poor sleep suppresses it. When AMPK is suppressed for years, fat accumulates. Stem cells become dormant. Inflammation increases. The body stops repairing itself at the cellular level. This is the biological root of stubborn fat that refuses to move no matter what you do. You do not need drugs or surgery to activate AMPK. You need specific science-backed inputs that your body recognizes as real biological stress signals. The first input is time-restricted eating. Compressing your eating window to 8 hours or less allows insulin levels to fall completely. Falling insulin is one of the most powerful natural triggers of AMPK activation. Research published in Cell Metabolism shows that time-restricted eating activates AMPK pathways independently of total calorie intake. When AMPK is activated consistently over several weeks, the changes are measurable and systematic. Visceral fat, the dangerous fat surrounding your internal organs, begins to decrease first. This is because visceral fat cells have higher concentrations of AMPK receptors than subcutaneous fat. Waist circumference decreases even before the scale moves significantly. Stem cell activity increases across multiple tissue types simultaneously. Muscle tissue repairs faster after exercise. Skin cell turnover accelerates. Inflammation markers in the bloodstream drop. People who have activated this pathway consistently report better energy, faster recovery, clearer thinking, and a reduction in joint pain. These are not coincidences. They are the predictable results of your biological repair systems coming back online. The fat that was stubborn becomes available fuel, not because you are starving, not because you are destroying yourself in a gym, because the cellular signal that was always meant to be running has finally been restored. The second input is Zone 2 cardio. This is low-intensity sustained movement that keeps your heart rate between 60 and 70% of maximum for 30 to 45 minutes. Zone 2 specifically targets mitochondrial efficiency and is one of the most reliable known activators of AMPK in muscle tissue. Walking fast, cycling at a steady pace, or using an elliptical at moderate resistance all count. This is not about burning calories in the moment. This is about sending a biological signal that switches your metabolism into repair mode. The third input is cold exposure. Brief exposure to cold water, whether a cold shower for 2 to 3 minutes or cold water immersion, activates brown adipose tissue. Brown fat is metabolically active fat that burns energy rather than storing it. Cold exposure also directly activates AMPK and forces stem cells in adipose tissue out of dormancy. A 2022 study in Nature Metabolism confirmed that regular cold exposure increases stem cell activity in fat tissue by measurable margins. The fourth input is specific compounds found in food. Berberine, found in barberry root, activates AMPK as powerfully as some pharmaceutical interventions. Quercetin, found in red onions and capers, supports AMPK signaling and reduces the inflammation that suppresses it. Resveratrol, found in the skin of dark grapes, works through a parallel pathway called SIRT1 that cooperates with AMPK to activate cellular repair. You do not need supplements for all of these. Whole foods consumed consistently deliver measurable effects. The fifth input is sleep quality. Deep sleep is when growth hormone is released in its highest natural concentrations. Growth hormone is required for stem cell mobilization. Without consistent deep sleep, stem cells remain inactive regardless of every other input you provide. 7 to 9 hours in a dark, cool room with no screens for 60 minutes before bed is not optional if you want this switch to work. The weight loss industry is worth over $250 billion annually. Most of that money is made selling products that require you to keep buying them. A single behavioral protocol that activates your body's own fat-burning and repair systems does not require a subscription. It does not require a supplement. It does not require a program. The science around AMPK and stem cell activation has been accumulating for over 2 decades. It appears in peer-reviewed journals. It is taught in biochemistry programs at major universities. It is simply not in the commercial interest of the industry to make it the centerpiece of mainstream health messaging. Now you know it exists. Now you know the mechanism. Now you know exactly what inputs flip the switch. What you do with that information is entirely up to you. Your body is not broken. It is waiting for the right signal. Give it the signal. The biology will do the rest.